Hi there, my name is Scott Fong, and today I'm here to show you how to hook up a next generation TwinHEAT module. When we open the case, we'll notice that we have our connecting cables inside. We should have a power cord for our 110, and then our connection cables to the welding machine. This is what the TwinHEAT module looks like when it comes out of the box. On the front of the machine, we've got our connections for our triple cable sets, our controllers, our power switch. And on the rear of the machine, we've got our connections for our welding machine and our 110 power input. So we've taken the TwinHEAT connecting cables from the lugs on the welding machine back to the TwinHEAT module. Red for positive, black for negative. We've also plugged in our auxiliary power on the back of the TwinHEAT module. And in this video, we're using a Lincoln FlexTech 650 welding machine, but you could be using any brand of welding machine you want. We do recommend stick welding machines, and we do recommend a minimum of 300 amps at 100% duty cycle when using a TwinHEAT module. Now we're ready to connect our triple cable sets to the TwinHEAT module. You notice we've got a red and black cable. Our red will go to the positive terminal. We'll twist it to make sure we got a nice tight connection. Black will go to the negative. Same thing, we'll turn it to make sure we got a nice tight connection. And then we'll insert the thermocouple plug with the big pole on the bottom, as the plugs are polarized. So here you'll notice that our demo piece is already insulated. But we've taken the time to identify our tails on our heaters beforehand. We've got two tails from one heater here, and two tails from another heater here. So we need to connect a red splitter tail to one side of the heater and a black tail to the other side of the heater. Again, you'll want to make sure you got nice tight connections. One red, and now one black. Now that we've got everything connected, we're going to power on the TwinHEAT module. And we're going to set our preheat temperature and the ramp rate at which we wanted to get there. In the upper window, we have the actual steel temperature where the thermocouple is attached. The lower window displays the counting set point. So we're going to press the enter button until we see rate displayed in the lower window, and then we're going to adjust our rate in degrees Fahrenheit per hour. We've got some thicker steel, so we're going to set it for 100 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. We're going to hit the enter button once more, and now we're going to set our preheat temperature. In this case, our preheat temperature is 300, so we're going to bump this up a little bit. Then we'll hit the enter button once more, make sure that we're in auto mode, and then we're going to press the menu button to take us back to our main screen. Now that our heat cycle is set, we'll set our welding machine. Now we're going to power on our welding machine. We're going to set it to stick mode. And we're going to turn our amperage up. You'll notice no matter how hard we turn up the dial, the amperage will only go as high as the number of heaters that you're using on the machine at the time. Now that we can see the power is finally going out, we're going to start seeing our temperature go up on our upper display. So now that we're off and running with our TwinHEAT module, that's the end of our video for today. Keep in mind on our YouTube channel there are other helpful videos showing you how to use controllers, TAUs, pin welders and such. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.